Hi, my name is Tony Brown with Empire Property Management Group here in Columbia, South Carolina. And today's topic is how long does an eviction process take in Columbia, South Carolina? Well, I would tell you an eviction normally takes anywhere between 30 to 45 days from start to finish, and the price can vary anywhere from $100 to $1,200 depending upon if you use an attorney to help assist you through the process. Here at Empire Property Management, time is critical. So we tell people rent is due on the 1st, it's late after the 5th, and we file eviction on the 6th. And the reason why we file eviction on the 6th is so that way we can get the clock started on that 30 to 45 day process time. So right now what I'm want to do is I want to give you just a little bit about how the process works, and I'm going to do it in phases. Okay, so in phase 1, you go to the magistrate, you file for eviction, the sheriff goes out to give the notice to the tenant. When the sheriff goes out, he'll either give the notice directly to the tenant because somebody's home, and they have a 10-day grace period where they can actually dispute the eviction. If they're not home, then he posts on the door after the second or third attempt, and that's when their 10 days start. Okay, so that's phase 1. Phase 2 comes in once they get the paperwork and their 10 days is up. So if the tenant has received the document in hand, then we can file for a writ of eviction immediately after those 10 days are up, and that normally takes another 14 days. So now we're at about 25 days. If they didn't answer the door and it was posted, then we have to do a mail out, which puts additional 10 days on the process, and then the 14 days for the writ of eviction. So altogether, we're at about 25 days. And then at the 25 days, if they wanted a court appearance, then it takes anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks to get in front of the magistrate to hear your case. Okay, now once your case is heard and the judge has ruled on it, doesn't mean necessarily that they're out the house. That just means that he ordered the writ of ejectment, and then you have to get on the sheriff's docket to get a schedule, to schedule a set out date, which can be anywhere by another 2 weeks. Okay, so we're looking about roughly about 45 days from start to finish. The one thing I can say about it is it's not something that happens overnight. It's a slow process, and we like to tell everybody that just because you filed it does not mean that they're going to automatically get out or abide by what the law says. So that's why you have to go through every single process. And we start on the 6th because the worst case scenario is that we're going to have to take all 45 days, and we want to make sure that you're not losing any rental income that you don't have to unnecessarily. The next blog I will have will talk about the civil suit and how that process works, and that'll be on a later blog. Okay, if you want to know about our rent protection program, you can contact me at tony@empirepmgroup.com, and I will more than likely send you some information out describing that to you to help assist you with the cost of when you're trying to evict somebody out of your property. I hope to hear from you soon. I'm Tony Brown with Empire Property Management Group. If you have any questions about our services or this blog, feel free to call me. I look forward to taking your call.